Yo, what is up, gamers? Playing some League of Legends, even Mayhem. Ooh, want Sylas. I do like money, but Omnivamp? Nah, money. Money gets me Omnivamp. The paste. Actually, I love Omnivamp so much, I'm gonna buy a gun. I love this item, not gonna lie. Point and click slow, 10% Omnivamp. We auto attack. Thanks for the money, buddy. Gotcha, bitch. What? That's all I got. Okay, Clem, give it Chad. Uh-oh. We like fighting. Killed him with that, it's crazy. We need the money. Give me the boots first. I'm not that crazy. I do realize my item is kind of troll. Ooh, huge AD ratio, that's nice. What? My kill. Ooh. A freebie for me. Ooh, W! Oh, it didn't go off. I just beat her ass. We are fightingers. Any range champions? 1, 2. 2 range champions in the whole lobby. Michaela isn't even ranged yet. Oh, we are fighters. I think I need to get out of here. I have no spells. What the fuck? I know I got grounded. Grounded into E. Q knockup? Sure. I was wondering what Brother was popping off about. Ooh, give me the money. My shit is still on auto pass. Normal cast. I was playing Ambessa. That shit is hard to hit. Ow! Fuck, can we play the game? Give me all of these. Ooh, I'm rich. Ooh, that was weird. She doesn't even look at me, what the fuck? Money? Ooh, a critical healing? Fuck. We love money though. A better champ? There's no way. Give me the money. I don't care. Wow, that bitch is getting blasted. Gotcha, bitch. Oops. Oh, they just left me next to you. Good ult. Damn. They do ooga booga. What? Any other AD ratios? Ah, just on the passive.
The enemy moves slowly and without thought. If I were out there, this would be over in an instant.
Brother doesn't give a fuck. Aw. Just fight me, bro. Fight and die.
Perish with honor.
God, I wasn't tanking. Oh, that's a good ult. Touching. Got the money. More money. We love money. Fuck it. Where's bombies? The bombies. I mean, I'm not afraid of KL, I think. And Chain Vest is super good.
Spirit blossoms
Like,
bloom again.
unethical.
Was the first.
I can use you, buddy. Tail ult, a little good. Scout a little bit. Persian, Phenom, that guy healed a lot. Big Siphon, Collector. Aw, my drain tanking isn't that good. Damn. These guys. Wrong. I'm just out here making money.
My time in the King Crew did not prepare me for this.
Enemy killing spree.
Damn. Not even close against those guys. What the fuck? They did 3k, I did 2.2. Oh. Maybe my greed should know bounds. This guy doesn't even... Oh, he just gets a big crit. Goes next.
Rampage.
next time.
Yeah, fuck it. They give me shields sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, These guys do be dinging. We need a money. Keep running, brother.
Lesson learned.
Oh yeah. He just knocked me up or something. Yeah. Kayla's a range champion, unlucky. So we got dingers. Our heart steals are huge. Whoa. Give me the money. Not even close, baby. Okay, kind of wanted that. Give me the money.
Hesitation. That's all it
Wow, this shit heals for nothing. Oh, because it's all AoE? Ah. Oh wait, this doesn't even have the AoE negation. What the fuck? I just do no damage. Hats? I got a lot of money.
Enemy triple kill. Ace.
Oh, is it over?
Another fall. Cloud cheers.
Kale died.
Slowly and without thought. If I were out
There's not a hat counter. Get off of me, like, holy fuck. Kill Kale with the nada.
Perish with honor.
There isn't a hat counter. I'm just going to assume.
Dominating.
Fucking heavy amber with a hat. Hard ending. That's been GG.
Defeat.